Today I want to show you the Chicken Caravan Skid Feeder. This is one here. It holds approximately 150 kilos of feed and it feeds up to 150 hens. So if you're going to use it in conjunction with a Chicken Caravan 450, you're going to want 3 of them. A few features of the Chicken Caravan Skid Feeder is it's only got one moving part. It's one thing I love about it. There's really nothing to go wrong. This lid here, that's your moving part, that's it. You can put about 150 kilos of feed in there depending on your feed. Some are pellets, some are grains, but about 150 kilos. And the other thing that's really great about the skid feeder, it's got this massive rain cover. The feed is actually all the way in there. So that's one thing when you're dealing with like chook food, you want it out of the rain, you want it out of the weather, and these big rain covers provide really good shelter. The chickens go in underneath. They've got to put their head through a little rectangle hole, and then they can get access to the feed. The reason we want them to put their head through that rectangle hole is just so they don't flick feed. If you have it all open, they'll tend to flick the feed out, waste it, and you'll just have feed all over the ground. No wasted feed with a Chicken Caravan Skid Feeder.